Hello and welcome back to another quick tutorial with your instructional coach, Leslie Johnson. So we have been using a Google Sheet to communicate classroom codes, but if I scroll down, like what is happening? Okay, so as you're working, if you're noticing like people are changing my work, guess what? You can select your cells, right click, scroll down to protect range. Okay, that's going to tell me the range. You can add a description, but really, whatever. Go ahead and set permissions. And then this is the key. We want to custom only you. Click done. None of you will be able to make any changes to those 3 cells. So that's what needs to happen if we're going to keep these classroom codes accurate and keep this a usable document to share with our students. So if you're done with your classroom codes, protect your cells. This is why spreadsheets are awesome. I don't think we can do that on a Google Doc. All right. Thanks so much for watching.